Alright, so we got the short throw all installed, so we're going to go through the gears and show you the difference. That's first, that's second, that's third, that's fourth, that's fifth, and that's reverse. Alright, so this is the factory tower. I'm just going to go through the gears 1 through 5 in reverse so you can see the throw. This is my shifter, so the positioning is going to be a little different, but the distance between the shifts are the same. So this is first, second, third, fourth, that's fifth, and then that's reverse. I'm going to rip this thing out. I'm going to put my short throw in, and then we're going to go over the gears again so you can see the difference. So here's the difference between the towers. You can see the height rise difference to adjust the fulcrum point. And then you got your stem difference, which compensates for the extra space on the new tower. So this is made out of billet steel, so there's not going to be any cast impurities or breaking issues like these do. This one was already broken and re-welded. So now we're going to throw this thing in, use these new copper gaskets, and it should be good to rock. Alright, so I got the copper gasket. We're going to throw it in here. When you put the tower on, make sure your detent goes around that. I have to stick your hands down in there and make sure it comes back up and sitting flush. And then drop your hardware in there. So we got the copper gasket like that, and I also got a little space to put a screwdriver and take it off. Got the brass bushings. Then you got your 1/4 button head Allens. So with the new remanufactured stub, this hole's not going to really fit over that well, so I'm just going to take a little X-Acto knife and cut this rubber. Slide this through. Alright. That's all she wrote right there. Alright, so we got the short throw all installed, so we're going to go through the gears and show you the difference. That's first, that's second, that's third, that's fourth, that's fifth, and that's reverse. So here we got a factory stem out of a ZF5 transmission. So with the short throws that I'm making, I start off with an 1 inch and 5/8 material. The reason why it started off so thick is for the reverse lockout on the transmission. It's not internally like the ZF6. So it makes a little bit of process, makes it a little longer to make. So this is stem fresh off the lathe, solid billet. So once it turns it down in the lathe that you've seen, it has this apron, and this apron is what turns into the 5th gear lockout, or the reverse lockout. So once I turn this down and then I put it in the mill, that's going to be the next process. So we're going to load this in the machine, and we're going to take our passes away, and then we're going to have our first step like this. So I just machined the back side of this, cleaned it all up. So that's for your reverse lockout. Take a little polisher to it, clean all the deburrs up, and then we're going to take our measurements and make sure everything's good. So now I'm just going to double check the diameter of all these parts, seeing exactly where I want to be. Make sure I'm happy with everything. Looks all good, so now I'm going to take it over and get these deburrs off. There, that's it. So I got all 6 short throw towers finished up. These are going out tomorrow. I've probably done about maybe 30 to 40 of them already. I kept forgetting to get video, so now I finally got a video made from start to finish of the full process of the towers, so you can see that every single part on here is made from solid billet here in my shop. Made in the USA right here in Florida. So take a check at these. So everything fully assembled with the brass bushings. Slide right on there. These drop right in there. Nice tight precision fit. And then you got a nice billet top hat that goes on top. everything works. Looks super nice. So I got about 7 months invested in designing these, and they came out pretty awesome. So if you're interested, I got some other videos on YouTube of me shifting through the gears. Check them out. And if you want, you can grab on my website on dieselsanddirtbags.com and grab some merch while you're there.